Welcome to our Software Ideas Modeler tutorial channel. Today, we're going to explore a powerful feature, Add All Relationships by Model, to streamline complex modeling projects. In complex models, like our bank system example, splitting the model into several diagrams can enhance clarity. You can even reuse some elements across multiple diagrams. Let's create a separate diagram specifically for card transactions. We'll start a new ER diagram and name it Card Transactions. Now we'll locate our transaction element in the project tree. We'll drag and drop it onto our diagram canvas and do the same with other related tables. Traditionally, we'd add relationships manually to our diagram, but there's a much easier way. Let's utilize the Add All Relationships by Model feature. Find it under the Diagram tab in the Editing group. Clicking this button automatically adds all relevant relationships from our model to the diagram. With one click, we see the missing relationships now beautifully integrated into our diagram, directly from the model. This feature saves time and ensures accuracy in representing complex relationships. And that's how Add All Relationships by Model simplifies diagramming in complex projects. It's a real game changer for efficient and accurate modeling. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on Software Ideas Modeler.